Today was a good day for the taxpayers of Illinois and for all interested parties, people who have been desperately looking for solutions to the problems that have confronted the state for the past 16 months. I particularly want to thank Governor Rauner for marshaling together the four caucuses to bring a conclusion, one which we feel is a good conclusion for Illinois, one which is a negotiated compromise between the parties. And Governor, thank you so much for your leadership on that. I will say this, that a lot of hard work went into this, and the men and women behind us in the House and Senate are the members who worked diligently for many months, are part of our working groups on the issues that were brought today for vote, with the stopgap budget and also the other components to the bills today. So I want to thank every one of those members in my caucus and also in the Senate for staying with the program, working hard, and fulfilling their mission. But at the end of the day, folks, the real winners are the taxpayers of Illinois. We didn't get everything that we wanted. We will continue to work on a full, comprehensive budget, one that is balanced. But today is a good day for the taxpayers because we stopped the Democrat majority from passing a $7 billion unbalanced budget on the people of Illinois and every taxpayer. So the taxpayers won, and I think the most important aspect of today is that we responded to our public on their demands that we continue to work in good faith. We have for months pleaded with the Democrat majority that we are prepared to negotiate and compromise in every given stage of this process. And they finally took our advice based on the governor's recommendation, and we've reached a fair conclusion today.